Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove saved login info on Instagram, iPhone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. If you've logged into your Instagram account on your iPhone and don't want your login information to be saved, maybe for privacy reasons, or because you're using a shared device, it's a good idea to remove the saved login details. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that using the Instagram app on your iPhone. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. If you're already logged in, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll all the way down. Tap Log Out. I'll show you if currently my Instagram account login info is still saved. So when we click Continue, it will automatically log in without entering a password. Now, I'll log out again. To remove it, you can click the three dots in the top corner. Then click Remove Account from this device. And click Remove on your Instagram account. Then click Remove again. And that's it. Your saved login information has now been removed from the Instagram app on your iPhone. And now, every time you want to log in, you have to enter login info such as email, cell phone number, or username and password. This is a really helpful step if you're switching accounts, selling your phone, or just want to make sure no one else can access your Instagram. I think that's enough tutorial for this video. Good luck and see you in the next video.